Hi guys, I'm Spencer of Willie Awesome Adventures, your accessible cruising expert, and today we're going to take a tour of the Oceanview wheelchair accessible room on the Carnival Legend. It's been a while since I've been on a Carnival cruise, and in commemoration of that, I'm wearing the whale tail shirt. So let's join me on this beautiful room tour.
We'll take it slowly.
Alright, let's do this. I'm currently in the North Sea, sailing Northern Europe, visiting countries like Amsterdam, Belgium, Germany, France. We're doing it up. Right here, you got the sofa, which turns into a bunk bed. I've never seen anything like this on a cruise ship before. This is one of the most unique bunk beds I've ever seen. I'm almost considering to get one of these for my house, you know? Then over here, we have the two twin beds. They do convert to a king, which is typical of any cruise ship. If you use a Hoyer lift, there is room under the bed for that, but I do travel with my own gantry style Hoyer lift that is portable. While we cannot rent one of these for you, if you reach out to me when I book your cruise, we can definitely discuss this and maybe see how you can purchase one for yourself. I'm going to give you a quick little tip on this right here. This is the Mattress Genie we got located on the floor. This Mattress Genie is a super alternative to a hospital bed rental. Hospital bed rentals can be anywhere from $300 to $600 per cruise. This thing right here was under $200, and I use it on every cruise to raise the head of the bed. Reach out to me for more information. I'll definitely give you the deets on that, so you can definitely get one for yourself and save tons of money. Next, we're going to take it to the bathroom. The bathroom is a fully accessible, equipped with a roll-in shower. Let's check that out. This room, 1242, is equipped with grab bars located on the right side. In the little cubbyhole shower right here, notice you'll see my wheelchair. This is a tilt and space wheelchair. Unfortunately, we cannot rent these out for clients, but we can get you a standard rolling wheelchair. For those of you that do not need the rolling chair, they do have a fold down bench. Notice this shower head right here is adjustable height, awesome pressure, awesome heat. I really love the thing. I sit in the shower for an hour every morning. It definitely hampers my ability to make it to the ports on time, but you know what you gotta do. We're gonna check out the rest of the room over here. We got a ton of space for activities. When I'm talking about space, look at this. Hold up, Rachel. I'm coming in hot. Look at this. We got room. I can spin around. Look at that. I got all the room. I got a desk over here. Look at this desk right here. This is the best desk. This ship is 26 years old at the filming of this video, but damn, it looks like it's brand new. This ship is impeccably maintained. Impeccable. Look at these cabinets. I was on brand new ship the other day. That thing didn't fit nothing. Look at these cabinets. I got storage for me, my nurses, all of us. Right now, look out the window. We got two windows, not one, but two windows. You can't see anything out there because the North Sea's foggy right now, but let me tell you, when it's sunny out, when you're in port, you got some nice views. Your nurse can curl up on the windowsill, read their book, do their timesheets, whatever they gotta do. You know, it's legit. I love this room. The Carnival Legend is an old ship, but you know, old ships can be nice too. If you're interested in this room, give me a call. My number is 850-293-8548. I'm gonna book you an unforgettable cruise vacation. Why? Because I'm Spence, and I'm the man. I'm the accessible cruising expert. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and join me for my next Willie Awesome video. Alright? Peace.